Welcome to the channel Maths by Swati ma'am. We are with the chapter Arithmetic Progression, and I have discussed about the sum of arithmetic progressions in the last class, and we have solved examples, two examples I think, based on sum of arithmetic progression. Okay, so now in the today's class I am going to start up with the third exercise, that is 5.3, and in that dear the first question is, see, the first question is, find the sum of the following. The simple question, very simple, very direct question. Find the sum of the following where arithmetic progression has been provided. Okay, now look at the board. See, find the sum of AP 2 7 12 to 10 terms. Okay, 10 terms means here they have provided you the n value. What is the n value they have provided? That is the 10. Okay, so first you just see arithmetic progression is given as, okay, arithmetic progression is nothing but you just see here 2 7 12 and so on. Okay, in this case, if I take the a value, a is the first term itself. What is the a value I have? A is equal to 2, and you know that to calculate Sn I need d. Okay, what is the d formula to calculate here? A2 minus a1. So what is a2 value? 7. A1 is 2. So 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. Okay, the first term is 2 and the common difference is 5. And n value they have direct given you, that is up to 10 terms. Okay, till 10 terms you need to calculate. And now when a, d, n are provided, you need to use the first formula of the Sn. I have already told you we have two formulas for the Sn. One is when a, n, d is provided, and another it is when a and the final term is provided. Now, let me use the Sn formula. What is the Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula that we have to use to calculate Sn, isn't it? So now, up to 10 terms they are talking about. So, 10 I should take, yes or no? See, n value is 10 divided by 2 into bracket. A value is how much, dears? 2. So, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into, what is the common difference I have here? That is 5. Isn't it? Now you just see here, 2 ones are 2 fives are. Okay, so 5 into bracket 2 twos are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is how much, dears? 9. 9 into 5 I got, isn't it? So 5 into bracket 4 plus, see, 9 fives are 45. Isn't it, dears? You just see here, 5 into bracket 45 plus 4 is how much? 49. Understanding? So at the end, you should multiply these two. 5 nines are 45, 4 carry, 5 fours are 20 plus 4 is 24. You just see here, sum of first 10 terms represented as S10. So sum of first 10 terms represented as S10 is going to give you 245, and I always tell you, highlight the answer. Understanding? So this is how, when up to 10 terms is given, so 10 is nothing but it is not the last term, but it is the n value. I hope it is clear. Fine. See, the same type of first main second question. Second question is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 to 10 terms. So here the arithmetic progression is, you just see here, I'll be writing the arithmetic progression. It is minus 37, comma minus 33, comma minus 29 and so on. With respect to this arithmetic progression, I should write a value first. What is the a value? A value is the first term of an AP, and the first term of an AP is minus 37. Okay, let me calculate the common difference. Formula is also known. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is how much? Minus 33. A1 is how much? Minus 37. You people always will get confusion and you will just write minus 33, minus 37. It should not be there. This negative sign is totally different than this negative sign, isn't it? So see here, minus 33, minus into minus, plus 37. Minus 33 plus 37 is how much, dears? I'll be having 4. And the difference, common difference is how much? 4. And A value is 37. Now, N they have directly provided. What is the N value I have? 12. N is equal to 12. Now to calculate the sum of 12 terms, I should use the formula. Yes or no? First formula. What is the formula I can use? Very good. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula I'll be carrying out. Okay. So S12, because I need to calculate the sum of 12 terms. So I'll be writing S12. Okay. So n by 2, that is 12 by 2 into bracket 2 into, what is the A value I have, dears? Minus 37 plus n minus 1. N is 12. So I'll be having 12 minus 1 into D value. What is the D value I got? Yes, 4, isn't it? So I'll be writing 4 here. Now you just see 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. So S12 is equal to 6 into bracket. I just simplify here. Minus 2 sevens are 14, carry 1. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. See, 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. Okay, now you just see here, 6 into bracket minus 74, 11 fours are 44. Understanding? Now you just see here, I got 6 into bracket minus 74 plus 44. How much I'll be getting? 74 minus 44 is how much, dears? 30. Bigger number sign is negative. So I'll be having minus 30. At the end, you just multiply this, dears. Plus into minus minus, 36 is 180. So I got S12. So the 12 of the sum of first 12 terms of the given AP is how much? Minus 180. Understood? So this is how you should calculate about it. Fine? Okay. The third question is, you just see here the third one, 0 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. And AP is again provided up to 100 terms it is, isn't it? So the simple one it is. Okay, arithmetic progression is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on. Understanding? And what is the thing is, here the values are in the decimal form. Understanding? So I told you, you have to be very much thorough about the decimal places as well as with the fraction formations. Okay, now dear, what is the A value I'll be getting here? The first term, that is 0.6, and again the D value. To calculate the D value, what is the formula I used to put? A2 minus A1, isn't it? So I'll be having A2 minus A1. A2 is how much? 1.7. A1 is how much? 0.6. That is equal to 1.1, isn't it? So the common difference I got it as 1.1, and N already provided, that is 100 terms. Understanding? Now let me calculate the sum of 100 terms. Okay, so you know that the formula I am going to use is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula I am going to put. Understanding? So S 100, n is 100, right? So S 100. So here also I'll put n value as 100. 100 by 2 into bracket 2 into, what is the A value I got? A is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into D is how much? 1.1. Okay, now look at the board. You just see here, 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 zeros are 50 into bracket. You just see decimal multiplication. First you do the normal multiplication. 2 6 are 12. Here is point after single place digit. So here also I am going to give a point after a single place. Understanding? You just see here, 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. Okay, let me take one more step to simplify this one. 50 into bracket 1.2 plus 11 nines are 99, carry 9. Okay, 11 nines are 99. 99 plus 9 is how much? 108, isn't it? Now what place after a single digit? So I got it 108.9. So if I multiply, what I'm going to get, you just to see here, does 8 minus 9 minus 2 is 11, carry 1. Okay, point is there. 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 1, 1, 110.1. So now if I multiply this, I'll keep a 0 apart and multiply. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and there is a point after a single place. So here also I'll give a point after a single digit. So I got S100, means the sum of first 100 terms is given as 5505. This is how we calculate, dear. Understanding? Fine. So we'll go to the last question of the first main. The last question from the first main, find the sum here. Again, now the question is on fraction format. You just see, when I gave you the first question was simple normal whole number it was, and the later we took negative integers, and the later we took decimals, and now the question is on fraction. Understanding? So you people have to take more questions and simplify so that you will be able to understand it more. Understanding? If possible, I'll give you many questions in the description box. Take them and solve them. Fine. Okay, look at the board now. See, AP is provided. Okay, what is the AP be provided here? 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, and so on. Okay, this is AP. Now, first let me write the A value. What is the A value? The first term, that is 1 by 15, isn't it? And now I'll take the D value. D is nothing but yes, A2 minus A1. So what is A2 value I got? A2 is 1 by 12 and A1 is 1 by 15. Okay, so if I take the difference, what is the LCM I'll be getting? You know it. That is the common factor is 60. So 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. So 5 minus 1, that is equal to, sorry, 5 minus 4, 1 4s are 4. So that is equal to how much it is? 1 by 60. Okay, I got D value as 1 by 60, and N already know. N is equal to how much? 11. Okay, now let me calculate the Sn value. Okay, to calculate Sn, I have to use Sn formula. You know that Sn is equal to N by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? Now, instead of Sn, I'll be write S11 because they have asked me to calculate the sum of first 11 terms. So I'll be having Sn. Now you just see here 11 by 2 into bracket 2 into, what is the A value I have? 1 by 15, no doubt. So right here 1 by 15 plus n minus 1. N is 11, 11 minus 1, and D is dears 1 by 60. Understanding? Okay, I hope it is clear. Now just let's continue here. 11 by 2 into bracket. You know that whenever we do fraction multiplication, we just multiply numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. So that is why 4 operations of decimal and 4 operations of multiplication is very important. See, if nothing is present in the denominator, means 1 will be there. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 2 ones are 2, 15 ones are 15. Okay, now plus 11 minus 1 is how much? 10. Now here I have 1 divided by 60. Again I need to simplify here. Can I write this as 10 by 1? Isn't it? Yes. So 10 ones are 10 sixes are. At the end I got here 11 by 2 into bracket 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6, because 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6. I got it here like this. So now if I continue, what I'll be getting, you just see here 11 by 12 into bracket, just see 15 and 6. What is the LCM I can take? Yes, 30. Yes or no? 15 2s are 30, 6 5s are 30. The common factor is 30. So I'll be taking the LCM as 30. If I take the LCM 30, 15 2s are 30, 6 5s are 30. Understanding? Now 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5s are 5. Yes or no, dears? You just see 1 5s are 5, 2 2s are 4. So I got here 4 plus 5. So now I have here 11 by 2 into bracket 4 plus 5, 9 divided by 30. So if I simplify here, 3 3s are 3 10s are. So now I got here 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. isn't it? So 11 threes are 33 divided by 2 tens are 20. If you want to write it in the mixed formation, I'll be writing 21s are 20. So I left out 13 divided by 20. Okay, so now this is how you need to do when the question is based on fraction formation. Understanding? I hope it is clear. Practice them 2 to 3 times so that you get a perfectness, and be thorough with all the 4 operations based on fractions as well as decimals. Okay, take care. Meet you in the next video. Subscribe. Keep watching.